Last night was a lot quieter than I expected, which is great. It's awesome. Kyiv is doing pretty well lately. Of course, there's this instability that I wasn't aware of when I returned here. But I would say that Kyiv was one of the more fortunate places compared to other cities and towns and villages closer to the eastern front, which is where we're heading today. I'm heading out about 1 hour away from Kyiv to the east, into the villages to see how life is different there. As I'm heading into the villages, I saw tanks, I saw some military presence, and I also saw road signs warning of danger of death. Presumably, if you're driving off-road on some kind of field or something, there's mines or something like that, I don't know. Generally speaking, it's good to stay on main roads, and perhaps the main point is that you shouldn't really go on side roads or off-roads that you don't know, like I'm doing now, because you don't know what remains of the battles that have been fought here. Perhaps there's mine, perhaps you run into some troops and they don't expect you to be there, you're not supposed to be there, or if you're not able to justify exactly why you're there when you don't live. Generally speaking, it's really good to be alert, but there's a very fine line between being too alert and slightly paranoid. I'm not comfortable being here, but it doesn't mean that I shouldn't be here, if that makes sense. I've done some pretty irresponsible things in my life, so I need to be careful where I step, because can you see there are mines here? Look at that. Oh shit, my door closed, fuck me. See, it's things like that that make me jump. But anyways, see over here, there's mines. I'm very much out of my comfort zone, because I know that if something's going on, if I hear sirens or something, I can't just make a quick getaway. There's no shelter, there's nothing. But on the other hand, you must think people working the fields here and the villagers, they have nowhere to escape either. You know, people still live here and pretty much their lives are going on as normal unless something major happens. Oh shit, that's not good. I'm not supposed to be here. I don't want to be mistaken for who knows what. So I will back off. I'm now trying to find the trail. This is the village of Poloskie. This car is definitely not ready to drive. But all jokes aside, it's very sad what happened here. Look, there's the bullet holes that penetrated through the car. I mean, even looking at the door here, can you see how violently it was destroyed? And you know what's even more scary is the thought that if I were here at the wrong place and the wrong time, my car would have been no different. All that would remain of it would be just the metal skeleton. Look at the bullet holes in that house on the fence. Look. Okay, so apparently I'll have to turn back because the bridge is destroyed. So I came all this way trying to go back to Kyiv, and the bridge is destroyed. Look at that. That was the little bridge, and I had a feeling it might be destroyed. And here we go, back to Kyiv again. Wow, there's a beach there. It's sand and everything. Interesting. So that was it, really. I don't really know what else to put in this video, so I think I'm just gonna end it here. And what we're gonna do in the next video, probably I'm going to be revisiting some of the places I've been to before. Anyways, see you in the next video.